paradise in the Philippines on a budget. Let's go! Hidden beaches, secret lagoons, and World War II shipwrecks. This is one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines, and we'll teach you how to get there on a budget. After visiting Palawan 6 times already, we finally decided to make the ultimate Coron travel guide so it can help you have the best Coron trip possible. In this video, we show you the best islands to visit, the best tours to book, and the best food to eat, all in the most beautiful island on earth. So let's go! Hi guys, my name is Angelica Wanders and this is Eileen Wanders, and we create budget travel guides all around the Philippines. On this channel, we show you our easy to follow itineraries and also our costs and expenses in every trip. So if you want to travel around the Philippines in the easiest and most affordable way possible, then hit that like button and hit that subscribe button because we make videos just for you. Stick until the end of this video because we give you the ultimate 4-day budget itinerary and also a cost breakdown so you can get an idea of how much a Coron trip would cost. And as a bonus, we're also giving away a 3 days, 2 nights Coron Getaway for 2 persons. So if you want a chance to win this incredible trip and explore some of the most beautiful islands on earth, just stick around for the mechanics at the end of this video. And without further ado, let's explore Coron, Palawan. First off, let's talk about how to get there. The fastest way to get to Coron is by flying directly from Manila to Busuanga Airport, but it's also the priciest option, with round-trip fares typically ranging from 10,000 to 20,000 pesos. If that's out of budget, you can try checking flights from Clark instead of Manila to possibly find some cheaper deals. Then once you land in Busuanga Airport, just step outside and you'll find shuttle vans ready to take you to Coron town proper, which takes a 45-minute ride. To save yourself the hassle, I highly recommend pre-booking a van to secure a seat. We booked ours through JY Travel and Tours for just 250 pesos one way. But here's the exciting part. We actually scored a piece of sale flight from Manila to Busuanga via Cebu Pacific Airline for only 1,900 pesos round trip. These deals are rare, but they're definitely possible. By the way, we have a piso sale tutorial on our YouTube channel where I book a live piso sale on camera. So if you want tips on scoring super cheap flights around the Philippines, be sure to check this video out. Option 2. You can take a ferry from Manila. If flights are too expensive, no worries. You can also take an overnight ferry to Coron for as low as 1,500 to 3,000 pesos one way. The 13-hour ride departs at 5:30 p.m. and arrives at 6:30 a.m. the next morning, so you could literally sleep your way throughout the journey. Plus, the ferry drops you off right in the town proper, so no extra van ride needed. And option 3, you can take a ferry from El Nido. If you're already in Palawan, getting to Coron is pretty easy. From El Nido, you can take a 5-hour air-conditioned fast ferry, costing 2,600 pesos one way. This is a great option if you're planning to hop around different parts of Palawan. Speaking of which, we have a separate El Nido travel guide on our YouTube channel, which is almost at 500,000 views. So be sure to check that out if you're also planning a trip to El Nido. So whether you're flying in, cruising overnight, or ferry hopping from El Nido, the journey to Coron is all part of the adventure. Okay, so now that you booked your flights, the next big question is, where is the best place to stay in Coron? Well, Coron offers a range of accommodations for every budget. Budget stays like hostels and inns can go as low as 800 to 1,000 pesos per night. Mid-range hotels can range around 1,500 to 2,500 per night. And high-end resorts can go up to 15,000 to 20,000 pesos per night. We personally wanted a unique and experiential stay, something that felt like luxury glamping but in a tropical setting. And that's how we found Nomad Yurts. And don't worry, it has air conditioning. Check this out. Our yurt was super cute. It had a comfy bed, cute floor seating, tribal patterns all around, and our own private bathroom right next to the yurt. They also offer wellness sessions like yoga and meditation, plus an ice bath plunge for a refreshing way to start the day. And the best part? It only cost like 2,800 pesos per night, including breakfast, which was seriously so yummy. There are also cheaper stays, like Cebuana Travelers Inn, which is a homey inn just a quick 5-minute ride away from the town proper. Don't expect a luxury resort, but you'll only need a clean place to sleep at night since you'll be out all day island hopping. With fresh sheets, a clean bathroom, air conditioning, and free breakfast, it's a great deal for budget travelers. And as a bonus, they even have a free water refilling station and unlimited coffee for their guests. We'll drop some discount links in the description to some of the best affordable hotels and resorts in Coron. At the end of this video, we'll also share a sample breakdown of a 4 days, 3 nights Coron trip. So stay tuned to see how affordable a Coron trip could be. And now, it's time to witness what Coron is truly known for. Let's go island hopping. But everyone asks the same question. Which island hopping tour should I book and how much does it cost? Well, there are 5 popular tours in Coron, so let me show you the differences between each one along with their costs, so it can help you choose which is the best one for you. Let's begin. First off, the Coron Ultimate Tour. This is hands down the most popular tour in Coron, and it shows you exactly what Coron is famous for. The limestone cliffs, the iconic lagoons, and the beautiful snorkeling spots. One of the highlights of this tour is Kayangan Lake, the cleanest lake in the Philippines. You can take a dip in its crystal clear waters and even climb up for an amazing panoramic view. Another favorite stop is the Twin Lagoon, a hidden paradise surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. You can go kayaking, wherein rentals cost 1,200 pesos, good for 2 persons, good for the whole day. And it was literally unreal, the image of paradise. Now, if you love snorkeling, the Reef Garden is also part of the tour, where you can swim with colorful fish and explore its vibrant coral reefs. There's also a skeleton wreck, where you can actually witness and even swim through a Japanese shipwreck in the waters. Now, this is called the Ultimate Tour, but if you upgrade to the Super Ultimate Tour, you can also visit Barracuda Lake, a unique spot known for its otherworldly rock formations. And don't worry, despite its name, barracudas are rarely seen here. This tour is hands down Coron's best highlights in one. Now for Tour 2. The Island Escapade Tour offers a more relaxed and laid-back experience, taking you to some of the most stunning beaches in Coron. The first stop, Malcapuya Island, is a tropical paradise with powdery white sand and sparkling blue waters. It is a bit far, about an hour-and-a-half boat ride to get here, but in turn, you'll get no crowds and practically the entire beach to yourselves. Next in the tour is Banana Island, a snorkeling haven, home to colorful reefs and vibrant marine life. With swaying coconut trees and hammocks, it's the perfect spot to unwind. Then there's Bulog Dos Island, where a breathtaking sandbar stretches into the sea, making it an absolute must for drone shots. What we loved most about this tour was the relaxed pace. No rushing, just plenty of time to soak in the island's beauty. For our third tour, we got the Coron Town Tour, because there's more to Coron than only island hopping. This half-day adventure takes you beyond the beaches and into the heart of the town, where you'll explore iconic landmarks, offering a glimpse of Coron's rich culture and history. For a dash of adventure, you can climb up Mount Tapias. It's over 700 steps, but the breathtaking panoramic views at the top make it all worth it. Then afterwards, relax at Makinit Hot Springs, one of the world's few saltwater hot springs, known for its soothing therapeutic waters, perfect after all those steps up Mount Tapias. And of course, no town tour is complete without a little souvenir shopping, where you can pick up unique local arts and crafts to take home. For our fourth tour, the Kalawit Safari Tour. Who would have thought you can go on a safari right here in Palawan? This adventure takes you to the Kalawit Game Refuge and Wildlife Sanctuary. It's home to giraffes, zebras, brown deer, and other rare wildlife across a stunning savanna-like landscape. And it's so cool because you can even hand feed the giraffes. Definitely a photo-worthy moment. And last but not least, the Reefs and Wrecks Tour. Perfect for anyone who loves an underwater adventure, where you'll explore impeccable coral gardens and fascinating World War II shipwrecks. Dive into history at Lusong Gunboat Shipwreck, where a sunken vessel has transformed into an incredible marine ecosystem. And to top it all off, you'll visit a stunning white sand beach, perfect for relaxing and soaking up the sun. If you're looking for the ultimate mix of history, marine life, and beach time, this tour has it all. And now it's time to reveal our personal favorite tour, and that is the Coron Super Ultimate Day Tour. If you're a first-timer and can only pick one tour, this is the tour to go for. It shows you exactly why Coron is world famous. Breathtaking limestone cliffs, the iconic lagoons, the legendary Kayangan Lake, and stunning snorkeling spots. All of these tours come with complimentary hotel pickup and drop-off, a licensed tour guide, life vests, permits, and entrance fees. But my favorite part, the free buffet lunch during island hopping. An incredible spread of meats, grilled fish, veggies, and a variety of fruits. Each tour offers different experiences, but all of them will leave you equally speechless. Here's a pop-up of all Coron tour rates as of today. We'll leave some discounted tour links in the description if you want to book these individual tours. But if you want to skip the hassle of booking everything separately, you can actually book an all-in-one budget tour package, which already includes everything. Budget accommodation, one town tour, 2 island hopping tours, round-trip airport transfers, licensed tour guides, and all entrance fees. And the price for this entire package is only, wait for it, 4,500 pesos per head. Imagine, all of these for 4,500. That's crazy affordable. The tour agency we booked with was JY Travel and Tours, and their service was incredible. From the moment they picked us up at the airport, everything was taken care of. Booking an all-in-one tour saved us time, money, and hassle. We just sat back and enjoyed the ride. And good news, just a little gift for our viewers, in partnership with JY Travel and Tours, we're giving away a free 3 days 2 nights Coron Island Getaway. Good for 2 persons. And it's super easy to join. Just stay tuned until the end for the mechanics on how to win. But aside from all the beautiful islands, a trip to Coron wouldn't be complete without food tripping to the best restaurants in town. So here's a quick rundown of 4 must-visit restaurants in Coron. First up, we got Gavin's Kitchen and Bar. This spot is always packed, and for a good reason. We ordered their pineapple barbecue pork ribs, which were juicy and sweet with a smoky pineapple glaze, and their fried eggplant, which were so crispy and came with a yummy creamy dipping sauce. One of our favorite restaurants in Coron. Next, we went to Follow Your Taste. We ordered their yogurt super bowl, which is a Greek yogurt fruit bowl, and also their French toast. But the highlight, their homemade ice creams. We got their best-selling Coron Rocky Road, which was a mango Rocky Road ice cream, the perfect place to cool down from the heat. Resto number 3, we got El Cubo, with a relaxed tropical vibe and a really nice aesthetic. We ordered their best-selling vegetable curry with pita, their fish burger with sweet potato fries, and yummy mango shakes. Everything was amazing, especially the curry. And resto number 4, if you're on a budget, check out Inasal Eats for that classic grilled Inasal chicken rice meal for only 199 pesos per plate. And if you're super hungry, you can add 20 pesos to upgrade to unlimited rice. Overall, from smoky barbecue ribs to tropical cafes, Coron will never leave you hungry. And now it's time for the ultimate 4-day sample itinerary and budget breakdown. Feel free to save this video for future reference. So for day 1, this will be your arrival in Coron. And since this is a budget itinerary, let's say you snagged a piso sale like we did and got a morning flight to Coron for only 1,900 pesos round trip. Then once you arrive at the airport, there's a 200 peso mandatory environmental fee that goes towards eco-friendly projects to preserve and protect the natural habitats around Coron. It's a one-time payment valid for 10 days, so you'll only need to pay it once. Then once you get out of the airport, you can hop onto the 45-minute van ride to the town proper, grab some lunch before starting your half-day Coron town tour, which starts at 3:30 p.m. and drops you back in town at 8 p.m. Then, grab a late dinner near your hotel and call it a night. The total estimated cost for day 1 would be 4,350 pesos per head. On day 2, kick off your morning with a free breakfast at your accommodation before heading out for your super ultimate island hopping tour, which runs from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The tour already includes a free buffet island lunch, so with breakfast and lunch covered, all you need to plan for is dinner right after your tour. The total estimated cost for day 2 would be 3,400 pesos per head. On day 3, it's time for another island hopping adventure. Start your day with a free hotel breakfast before heading out for the Island Escapade Day Tour. Just like yesterday, a buffet lunch is already included, so you're covered until dinner. After the tour, grab a bite to eat, relax, and call it a night. The total estimated cost for day 3 would be 2,400 pesos. On day 4, it's time to head back to the airport for your flight back to Manila. Start your morning with a free breakfast, then wait for your airport shuttle to pick you up at your hotel for the 45-minute van ride back to the airport. The total estimated cost for day 4 would be 250 pesos. So the total estimated cost for a 4-day, 3-night budget Coron trip would be 10,400 pesos per head. This is inclusive of flight, hotel, food, transpo, tours, and island hopping. Literally everything from beginning to end. And just a disclaimer, this cost breakdown is considering you snagged a piece of sale, booked budget accommodations, and joined budget tours with JY Travel and Tours. Consider this itinerary perfect for budgetarians. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we're giving away a free 3 days 2 nights Coron Island Hopping Getaway, good for 2 persons. The giveaway is inclusive of 2 nights accommodation, good for 2 packs, daily breakfast, 1 island hopping tour, 1 land tour, and round-trip airport transfers. The mechanics are pretty simple. All you need to do is like and follow JY Travel and Tours on their social media accounts. Like and follow Angelica and Eileen Wanders on our social media accounts. And just comment down below the words "Never Stop Wandering" around Coron, and we'll choose a lucky winner at random. The deadline for submission is on June 15, 2025, and there is no limit to commenting, so comment away. We'll be announcing the winner next month, so make sure you're following all of these accounts so you will see if you were chosen. On this channel, we teach you guys how to save money when traveling, how to make money when traveling, how to book cheap flights, and how to book cheap hotels. So if this travel guide helped you in any way, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below if you have any questions about Coron. We do our best to reply to every single comment, so don't be afraid to ask. Well, that's it for today. We hope you guys enjoyed this travel guide, and we hope you enjoy your trip to Coron. This is Angelica and Eileen Wanders. Never stop wandering.